What's up, fam? It's your boy Vic. We're back at again with another banger, and today we are at Import Alliance with the squad back there. You guys see them. We are officially in line. We got here like at 10:15 or whatever, and they are just now putting the line, or they're just now pushing the line forward. There's a few cars already went in the first line. We're like in the last line because we decided to chill and come a little later. But we are here, fam, and we're about to see some dope cars and have fun. Let's say what's up to the guys. Skirt. Bows up. Uzi. Got the interior looking mad clean. And the Cousins M3. But you guys see it. Hella. Everybody outside. Just revving it up. We way in the back. Last line. Who that? To the camera, bro.
What up? Cannonball.
Say what up, G. Got some whips coming in. Hey man, give me the perk. You see folks already excited in this line, ready to get through. I think there's already like 2-3 lines that have already passed through. We're like in 7th or whatever, line wise. But everybody excited, everybody's revving it up, getting it in.
How you doing, guys? Right now we at Import Alliance at the racetrack. You already know what's going on.
For sure, for sure.
How'd your moms?
How'd your dad's
we
too?
outside right now. Vic is getting hella hype. Just like 5 fanboys right now, and
I thought he was finna say he getting hella hoes.
I mean that too, probably, you know, but it is. Is it actually recording?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Make sure to.
Alright fam, it is almost our turn to go forward. There is no line next to us anymore. We are next in line for sure, at least to push forward. We're still gonna have to wait probably quite a bit. I think we've been in the line for at least an hour and like 30 minutes or so. So, pretty long time, but it's always fun. Hang out, look at these whips. So, we're about to get to it. I guess they got things moving because this line's cruising, boy. About to pull up on the revving tunnel. Tunnel time. See if we got any loud cars in here, because my car is not loud at all. My car is a little too quiet for these tunnels. This don't have a loud exhaust or annoying, but we did what we could. And as per last year, they are up there getting tickets, testing people's clutch foot, and let's see how good you can drive, I guess. We in this thing, super us. We made it, fam. 2 hours later, we up in this thing. Shit, that boy they're skirting. I don't know what that is. That was a Ford like Escort, I think, whatever it is. We out here, we inside, fam, on the like left, or I mean right side, back side, kind of. But we here chilling. A bracelet, which is always pretty cool. I dig it. So I was thinking earlier, like today, I was talking to my sister that like I bet a lot of people think that like Import Alliance is dead and like not a lot of people come anymore or whatever. You know, those people probably don't come anymore. But in all honesty, I don't think it's dead. I mean, there's hella people like here. Today has been packed with just so many people. I'm about to show you guys a few of the cars and then, you know, drifting and all that. And I just think it's not, I mean, me personally. But, I mean, for people to actually make a difference, they actually got to come out and do their thing. So people who don't come out and think it's dead, you need to come out, dog, and do something. But I mean, you guys see it. I mean, there's just cars everywhere still. I mean, there's hella cars everywhere still. And there's more cars inside. They definitely got some nice ones in there. A lot of quality came out today, without a doubt. Hella Hondas, crazy. Like, I was surprised how many there actually is. This guy's over here just popping. But there's hella Hondas out here, fam, which is awesome to see. The Honda crew out here showing love at Import Alliance. As you can tell here, we got all the Hondas, Honda Civic Type R's. I mean, you see it. That's the homie right there. That boy clean with it. He got dang, that was a little loud. He got the spoon wheels, which I mean that boy ballin' with the Brembo brakes. I think they usually come like that. And he got spoon tips on this bad boy too. But this thing is beautiful, as you can see. And you got more over there, you know, I'm not gonna show them all, but they mad clean with it. Check out some whips up in here. Booty. This Mazda's mad clean for sure. The tires on that is crazy. This thing is clean with the wide body to it. Immaculate. Got this clean EK, boy. Racing material for sure. That boy probably got like 1,000 horsepower in this thing. Super sick. Got an Edo Black. Tick manifold. 1320. Nice turbo down there at the bottom somewhere, hiding. This thing is sick. This thing is super dope. I dig it. Then this homie over here got this J35 motor in this thing. It said it looks so big on this. This is so dope. Mad clean. This clean BMW. Probably drift materials for sure. I dig it. And the homies out here with his wheels, chilling. I say what's up to the camera, bro. Say what's up. That boy chilling. Then the homie here is his R32. He got a brand new set of wheels that he does make, which is mad dope. You can see his website right there. You guys could probably get you guys some wheels made from him. He got this thing, you know, right hand drive skis as you just this going on. This ain't mad clean for sure. I dig it. I was thinking about getting you guys some drift action, but there's so many people around this gate that it's not looking like it's gonna be possible. I gotta sneak my little self in, and you know I'm not about to do that right now, but I'm gonna let y'all look how many people there actually is around this arena, whatever you call it, for drifting. Look at all this. Look at this, man. It's the whole battle of these folks watching this. Packed. No space. You gotta sneak in. You can't even get a good shot if you snuck in. Found a spot. We found a spot. Got the bro recording it. Look at that. Action. Getting it in. We're gonna get you guys some drifting one way or another. Out here whipping an R34, bro. So like 2 hours earlier, we were in this, you know, where the garages are. There was way too many people in there to even record. So I didn't record like earlier, but there was just so many people. I mean, there's people in that thing just getting whatever they were getting. Too much people and no room to even walk through there for sure. But That's why I did it a little bit later so I could get better footage for you guys. And as you can see, we outside now. My homies, that thing is clean. Got the Hondas out here. That thing clean too. That DA mad nice. Oh, that Ferrari's clean thing. I didn't see that earlier. Sheesh. That EM1, all them leaving already, but that thing's super sick and clean. That clean. Sheesh, S2000 love. Zoom in. Super sick. Got it, bro. Got it. Got the fog love conversion on that thing too. Mint. Love it. Can't wait till mine's that clean. These Hondas are leaving, man. They clean. And they right hand drive. Super nasty. I dig it. That BMW with the T's. Mad nasty. I like it. Sick. Yo, say what up to the camera, G. That boy chilling beside us in his sex. When you gonna give me a ride?
Let's go.
I bet. Let's get in, man. Shee, that thing clean. What up, bro? That thing nice. Sick. That thing clean too. Hey. Nice. All the Honda folks are slowly leaving. I'm late to the party, fam. Dang. But like I said, there was too many people to even do videos, so I was trying to wait. Camera dog, come on with it. Come on with it. Yeah, that boy outside. Mac built, chilling. That thing's clean though. I kind of like that color to that EG right there. It's kind of sick. You gonna K-swap yours eventually?
Nah, bro.
Me neither. I'm just kidding. I thought about it. Turbo B series? Heck yeah. I thought about that K-swap, but I don't know. I do like the B series though. But yeah, I do like that EG color right there, that green. I always like it. S2000, that boy got ITBs, hard. That S2000 from Southern Fresh. They got a bunch of whips out here, fam. And we got this RWB that the sister loves, the Porsche. That thing is mad, super clean. I'd say that Import Alliance definitely stepped it up this year on bringing cars in, and people wanted to come, so that's mad dope. This thing is beautiful to see right here. Turbos in the back. Boom tires just crazy, bro. That's at least like, I don't know, maybe 20 inches for sure, without a doubt. Can't call it. That thing is absolutely beautimous. Love this thing. Dope. You got the Supras right here. Looking mad mint. Another Supra. And another Supra. And another Supra. And that Genesis over there. Looking okay-ish from afar. Then we got these right here. Oh, I think that was, I'm not sure if that's T-Pain, T-Pain's car, or if he drifted it. That thing's pretty cool. Beamer looking mad sick for sure. More Beamers. This guy. But yeah, that thing just is okay, man. Go ahead, Kobe. Build that thing. My homies. R32 looking mad clean. That Supra was just revving it. Hopefully they do it again. I want to hear that thing one more time. Give it the beans, bro. Nice. Definitely a large variety of whips for sure. I mean, the Hondas really stepped out for me. Pride from my little Hondas, man. Y'all really stepped out, man. You got, yeah, y'all really outside for real. Especially this one right here. It's S2000. Mad clean. I'm not sure if it was here last year, but this thing is super sick. With the wide body. I feel like it was here last year. That thing's turbo. That thing's immaculate. I mean, look at this. Crazy. Super, super sick. Well, as this RX-7, this 1JZ RX-7. This thing is super clean. I mean, look at it. The fitment on that is pretty wild. You can see it. Look at this. Motor, back clean, displayed nicely. Love it. Then you got this nice Supra. I like the fitment on this one, the tires and everything. That just change, it looks perfect for it. Yeah,
bro.
My squad is ready to leave, so I think that is it for this banger, guys. We are coming tomorrow, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna record. Typically I chill tomorrow and talk to more folks, but I do appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed this banger. Catch you guys on the flip. I bet.